Casey Anthony. In a bar fight, we've got some body cam tonight. Take a look.
This girl has been harassing me for a while. I have her cell phone number. If that helps.
Do you know her name?
Her name is Thelma Moya. Thelma Magali Moya. She goes by Thelma Moya. Yeah.
Okay. And what happened?
She verbally assaulted me, but physically assaulted me with witnesses. I'm still damp from the drink she threw at me.
And why did she throw a drink at you?
We had a verbal altercation outside.
Outside over there?
Yeah.
And elaborate, like what happened?
We dated the same person for a couple years. Malcolm Allison, who was with your department, one of your sergeants. Whether they're together or not together, she got upset that he had texted me. I let her know that he had, and she came inside and threw a drink at me.
Okay, do you have your ID with you?
Yes, I do.
Why don't you file a restraining order?
I didn't have enough to file a restraining order. I had to have actual threats. Her texting was not enough. Her showing up where I was not enough. This is enough. In front of witnesses is enough.
My incident number?
The owner of the establishment is sitting over here. I saw him.
Thank you.
Again, I apologize. I said non-emergency. Her friend was here. Several people that I've known for years are here as witnesses, if necessary. So I'm not trying to file a restraining order. I just want it to stop. And I know a restraining order at most is good for 6 months, and it can go away. Right?
Well, we'll document the incident that happened. And I'll put it as verbal threats because you said that she keeps coming
No,
to
and you can tell she threw a drink at me.
But you should definitely, if you're being going
Follow
through
up.
this, we're gonna follow up on it so we can
I know
do
you don't
something.
need to talk to me, but that girl came in
I have multiple witnesses.
here and
Thank you.
she did nothing. This girl just came in and
Just enjoy your day, okay? Enjoy your night.
That's why I called non-emergency. So thank you so much. I
Have fun.
appreciate it.
Take care.
All right. How common is it to respond to a call kind of like this, right? How often does that happen? Donald Schweitzer, I was impressed by this officer taking the statement, getting all the information from the woman who was once voted the most hated person in America, Casey Anthony.
Yeah, we always encourage people to call the police when there's been a serious problem or even, a misdemeanor type of crime that, you're a victim of. Getting a drink thrown at you in a bar over a spat between you and another person that used to date your boyfriend, that sounds to me like you're using the police, and it just shows a disrespect for, law enforcement. I'm really tired of people who are always criticizing the police, but then when they want to use them to their advantage, they do things like this. And what they should remember, Vinny, is that every time you make a call like this, you're draining the police services from being utilized by people that really need the police, like right now. That officer that was taking that statement had to do that, but was probably needed somewhere else within the area that she was responsible for.